Hello, hola, merhaba. My name is Val, and I'm here to help you take your language skills to the next level. I am a certified teacher with almost 9 years of experience working mostly with adult learners, both face-to-face and online. I am also a translator and a teacher trainer. As you can see, languages are my passion. Although I can teach students of any level, I specialize in conversational classes for intermediate and advanced English and Spanish learners and elementary Turkish learners. Como vivo en México, tengo mucha experiencia con estudiantes de habla hispana y con extranjeros que vienen a nuestro país y buscan aprender español. Tabii ki de Türkçe konuşuyorsanız ya da Türkçe öğrenmek istiyorsanız size de seve seve yardım edebilirim. Çünkü ben yaklaşık 6 yıldır Türkçe öğreniyorum. As a language learner myself, I know what it's like to go through the process of learning and working to perfect a new language, and I can help you identify and overcome the barriers that are holding you back. If there's one thing I've learned in all these years as a teacher, it's that no two students are the same. I can offer you a personalized program that will focus on your specific needs and work hand in hand with you in order to build your vocabulary, correct your pronunciation, master all the grammar structures, understand native and non-native speakers more easily, and express yourself more naturally, fluently, and confidently when speaking or writing. All of this without you having to suffer through a standard, boring, book-based class. In fact, don't even think of it as a class. Think of it as a language coaching session. You want it to be fun as well as useful, right? Well, I look forward to meeting you, and I hope you have a lovely day. See you! Nos vemos! Görüşürüz!